Hello everyone. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Song. I'd like to introduce today about the descriptive statistics before going to the inferential statistics. So this will be the last session for the lab, how to use the SPSS regarding to the descriptive statistics. So I already explained about the frequency table before. So today I will start by how can you transform or recode your continuous variable to the ordinal or the nominal variables. So do you remember I said that the continuous variables are most preferred by researchers because we have the more possibility to change the type of variable. So only the continuous variables can have the three forms: continuous, interval ratio, and then nominal, and also the ordinal. So today I will show you how you transform your continuous variable to the categorical variables. So can you see here the class interval frequency table change the level of measurement from the continuous to the categorical, which means that it's nominal or the ordinal. So it can be the ordinal and also the nominal. So there are more flexibilities. You can change the interval ratio variable to the ordinal or nominal, or sometimes it's dichotomous nominal also. So when I show you this, let me go to the SPSS. So here, our SPSS, we can choose the one interval ratio variable to perform about this transformation of the variable type. So you can go to the transform and recode into different variables. You have the two options: recode into same variables, recode into different variables. When you choose the different variables, your original variable will remain. So you can compare, or also you can have the different forms. So the interval ratio form and then also the categorical form. So it's more recommendable to choose this option. If you choose the same variable, and then you will lose the original variable. You will just convert everything to the second type. So it's better to have this option. And then I already put the life satisfaction. So let's just start from the beginning. So I'd like to choose the life satisfaction. This is a continuous variable. And then I want to make a transform this to the categorical variable. Let's do that is the ordinal variable. So ordinal variable means that there is a high and a low distinction. So that we will make the degrees. We will make degrees of that. So life satisfaction is an interval variable with the scale variable. So we can measure the life satisfaction with the several different variables, and then we can make the sum, like the total score of those questions, and then we can finally make the life satisfaction. So here is the variable, and then output variable you can give the name like recode, and then underscore life underscore satisfaction. Remember that in the name you cannot put space, so but only the underscore is possible. And in the label you can have the space. Code life satisfaction. Yeah, so you can do that, and then you change your name. You change it, and now you go to the old and new values, and then let's remove those things because I already made it before, but I will show you how you can do that. So the value, we can do the range from the, we can say the 1 through the, let's just say until 20. And then this is the value 1. Okay? And then from the 21 and then 30, we can give the value 2. And then from the 31 to 40, we can give the value 3. Then the 41 to 50, we can give the value 4. Okay, so when you choose these categories, you have to first examine what is the lowest score and what is the biggest score. Depending on that, you can choose the 4 or 3 categories. But I think the until 40 or 50, I'm not sure, but I think that they had the high score is 45. I already checked, so that's why I made the 4 categories. And then you can say the continue, and then okay. And then you can see that there is now we have the record life satisfaction variable is created. So you can check that. You can check that is what category is represented now, compared to the life satisfaction. So when you have the 35, the score becomes the category 3 because we gave the from the 31 to 40 just 3. So like this is also 3. You can verify by this way the original variable with the new variable categorical, and then you can verify the category is correct. So let's say the all these categories that is represented by the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we don't have the 4. This means that it's more than 40. We don't have. Yeah, so it's better to verify before performing the record variable like this. You will need only the 3 categories. So that was the more pertinent. And now variable view, you can sit here and then you can give the values. So it's like the value 1. The label was from the 1 to 20. Okay. Yeah, let's do the more. So it's another one. 2 is 21 to 30. And then 3 was the 31 to 40. Yeah, so now you have the values of what it means is a 1 to 3. So here you will find the values, how that is settled. And then now let's go to data view, or we can stay also variable view. It depends on you. So, I mean, which one you prefer. That is not, it doesn't change anything when you run the analysis. So let's say now the analyze, and then this descriptive statistics, and then you can go for the frequencies. And then this one is a continuous variable, but let's deal with our record satisfaction. And now your statistic changes because this is not anymore the continuous variables. So you have to go to statistics. And then when you put this percentile, central tendency, dispersion, distribution, etc., now it doesn't work with those command because this is not a continuous variable, so that is meaningless. So you have to also not the mean. There is no average between the categories. So you will have only the median and the mode. And then, yeah, so those things are not important now with the category. So that you can obtain only the central tendency. Okay. And then you can put the chart. So that you can put the bar chart because it's an ordinal variable is most proper. Okay. And then you can say, okay. And that generates the graph because it's a bar chart. And then also you can see the median. So what is the middle value? That is 2. So that is from 21 and 30. And the mode is also the same. And then this recorded life satisfaction, you can see that value. So what that means that is a number 1 is the 1 to 20. And this is 2, so 21, 30. That is a middle value. So you can see here 21, 30. That is a middle value, and then like this. So one more thing, I'd like to show you that you can double click and you can go for this icon, and then you can put here, and then here, and then here. So what that represents, that means that from the life satisfaction, how many people were in this category, 21, 30. It was 126 people. and then 31 people, and then 25. So you can also visualize how many people were in the each category. So you can close that, and when you go back to your output, now that remains what you put as the how many people. Okay, so that is about I wanted to show you about how you can transform the continuous variable to the categorical variable. And then next session, we'll just summarize what remains in the lab for the week 5. Thank you so much for listening, and then see you next time.